The nitty-gritty. How to sell as an affiliate. How does affiliate marketing work on a technical level, and how do you profit from it? Essentially, affiliate marketing works using cookies. Product creators are going to give you a share of their profits for every sale that you send their way. That means that they need to be able to track which sales are coming from you versus other sources. Cookies allow them to do this. Cookies are small files that are stored by your browser when you visit a website. When you become an affiliate, you'll be given an affiliate link to promote. That link is unique to you and doesn't actually link directly to the product. Rather, it links to another website, which is going to redirect visitors to the sales page so that they can make the purchase. Before you get redirected, though, the cookie will first be stored on their computer so that the store can identify you as the person who sent them there. Simple. Something else to think about is that it's important that you always announce the fact that you are getting commission on a link. You can actually get into trouble if you promote an affiliate link without declaring that you are earning commission from those sales. There are actually a few ways you can disguise your affiliate URL, which makes it more secure, which I do recommend you do. These are explained in the main guide. Where to get affiliate links. The best way to begin with affiliate marketing is to look for affiliate networks. These are sites that make it easy to find affiliate products by advertising them in a single place. These networks sell primarily digital products, which is what we're going to be looking at to begin with. The popular options include JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, CJ. There are many others though, and you can also find affiliate deals other ways. By contacting your favorite sellers and asking them if they'd consider offering an affiliate deal. By Googling affiliate programs and seeing what comes up. By looking on marketing forums like Warrior Forum. Either way, the real magic comes down to selecting the right products from these platforms, and that in turn often means, first of all, choosing the right niche. Questions to consider when trying to find an affiliate product are: the cost of the product, the commission you'll earn per sale, the value, important, what's included, who is it for, does it work with your audience,